His name is Elon Musk. He saved free speech. He created so many different great things.
If other people are putting in 40-hour work weeks and you're putting in 100-hour work week, you will achieve.
What do you got?
He is now the richest person on the planet.
Elon Musk, the real-life Tony Stark, has always been a visionary. From dreaming big as a kid to transforming space travel and electric cars, entire industries. With a net worth of $330 billion, he's only getting started. Get ready to dive into Elon Musk's life and career, plus 8 hidden corners of his extravagant world. And trust me, the last one will blow your mind. The side of Elon Musk's billionaire life. Obsession, mental health struggles, and solitude. Behind the billionaire's success story, there's a darker side, one that's marked by obsession, mental health struggles, and a life of solitude. Born in 1971 in South Africa, Elon Musk showed his genius early, developing and selling a video game at age 12. Musk had a troubled childhood, marked by his parents' divorce and severe bullying that left him physically injured. These emotional scars lingered for years, only easing when he discovered computers and entrepreneurship. At 24, he dropped out of Stanford University after just 2 days to pursue entrepreneurship. Teaming up with his brother Kimball, he co-founded Zip2, a business directory website, which was later sold to Compaq for $340 million. In 1999, Musk launched X.com, an online payment company that merged with Confinity to become PayPal. eBay acquired PayPal in 2002 for $1.5 billion, with Musk pocketing $165 million. Instead of retiring, Musk went on to co-found SpaceX, Tesla, and SolarCity, propelling him to a $151 billion net worth and reshaping multiple industries. But, as we all know, success doesn't come without its price. Musk's intense work ethic and obsession with his projects have taken a heavy toll on his personal life. The very traits that made him a billionaire, his drive, his refusal to quit, also contributed to his struggles with mental health. He's admitted to battling depression, anxiety, and even experiencing moments of intense loneliness despite being surrounded by millions. The workaholic genius, Elon Musk's relentless pursuit of innovation. How does one man manage multiple billion-dollar companies, dream of colonizing Mars, and still have time to send hilarious tweets at 2 a.m.? For Elon Musk, the answer is simple: relentless focus, insane work ethic, and a touch of chaos. Elon's non-stop schedule. Elon Musk practically lived at the office when he first started Zip2. He ate, showered, and even slept there. When Tesla was founded, there were times when he worked up to 120 hours a week, equivalent to 17 hours a day. Even though he's since reduced his hours, the billionaire still dedicates 80 to 90 hours per week to work. This has taken a toll on both his personal life and health, as the 52-year-old continues to push the limits of his work ethic. The famous 3 a.m. email. Musk's intense work ethic sometimes borders on the extreme. During a critical Tesla production crunch, he sent an email to employees at 2:30 a.m. with the subject line, "Time to get hardcore." The email urged everyone to work harder and faster to meet deadlines. As a reward, Musk promised to buy a new coffee machine for the office, a perk that was as hilarious as it was terrifying. The cost of relentless drive. Driven by his obsession with work, Elon Musk has sacrificed both marriage and love to focus on his companies. He recently broke up with his latest girlfriend, who had given birth to his son. In reality, Musk's marriages have failed multiple times, and finding a balance between work and family happiness seems impossible for the billionaire. he is constantly consumed by thoughts of cars, rockets, and new ventures. Let's dive into Elon Musk's $100 million real estate empire, private jet, and luxury yacht. Recently, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX has made waves by putting up for sale a stunning array of real estate worth an eye-watering $100 million. These properties include 6 luxurious mansions in the elite Bel Air neighborhood of Los Angeles. But here's the twist. Musk has stated that he plans to sell almost all of his physical possessions and live without a personal home. 6 of these properties are located in the exclusive Bel Air neighborhood in Los Angeles, an area known for housing the wealthiest of the wealthy. His largest acquisition was a sprawling estate worth tens of millions of dollars, featuring multiple adjacent mansions. Musk spent years acquiring these properties, often for privacy and to accommodate his growing family. Despite his $230 billion fortune, Musk lives in a $50,000 prefab house near SpaceX's Texas headquarters. Measuring just 375 square feet, it's the antithesis of a billionaire's mansion. Musk calls it kind of awesome, explaining that simplicity allows him to focus on what matters, his companies, and his vision for humanity. Critics have accused Musk of using the home as a publicity stunt, but those close to him insist it's authentic. Why waste time managing a mansion when your mission is to colonize Mars? Musk quips. The private jet, a $70 million. While Musk might be scaling back on real estate, he has one luxury that he refuses to part with: his private jet. Musk's Gulfstream G650ER is worth a staggering $70 million, and it's often seen as the ultimate status symbol among the world's ultra-wealthy. This private jet is no ordinary airplane, designed for maximum productivity. The $50 million yacht, Musk's one big splurge. If you thought Musk was all about efficiency and minimalism, think again. Despite his low-key lifestyle, Musk recently rented a $50 million super yacht for a luxury vacation. The yacht, named Zeus, was hired during a trip to Mykonos, a Greek island popular among the global elite. It's a 24-meter-long vessel capable of hosting 20 guests, with prices starting at a cool $7,171 per day for rental. The yacht is fully equipped with amenities that cater to the ultra-wealthy, including an expansive deck for sunbathing, a diving platform for water sports, and even a cozy indoor lounge. Elon Musk's iconic car collection. However, behind the electric vehicle pioneer lies a passionate car enthusiast with a collection that tells a story of ambition, success, and a deep appreciation for automotive history. Here's a look at Musk's most iconic rides and the fascinating tales behind them. McLaren F1, the ultimate dream car, value over $20 million. After selling his first company, Zip2, Musk celebrated by purchasing the legendary McLaren F1, considered one of the greatest supercars of all time. However, in 2000, Musk famously crashed the uninsured car while giving a demonstration ride to PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel. Lotus Esprit submarine car, value over $997,000. Musk's love for science fiction is no secret, and the Lotus Esprit submarine car from the James Bond film The Spy Who Loved Me fits perfectly into his imaginative world. Nicknamed Wet Nelly, the car can transform into a functional submarine in the movie. Musk bought it at auction in 2013 with the intention of making it a real amphibious vehicle. Tesla Roadster, the car that made history, value over $200,000. As Tesla's first electric sports car, the Roadster holds a special place in Musk's collection. In 2018, Musk made headlines when he launched his personal roadster into space aboard the Falcon Heavy rocket, marking an unforgettable moment in automotive and aerospace history. With Starman in the driver's seat, the car is now orbiting the sun, a symbol of Musk's interstellar ambitions. Building the future, Musk's vision for humanity. Next, let's take a deep dive into Musk's empire and explore how his ventures are not just reshaping industries, but may actually be saving the planet and securing humanity's future among the stars. With 6 groundbreaking companies under his belt, from Tesla and SpaceX to Neural Inc., X, formerly Twitter, The Boring Company, and XAI, Musk is defying the odds and pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. A mission to Mars, humanity's backup plan. Musk's ultimate dream is to colonize Mars, and through SpaceX, he's turning that dream into a tangible mission. Investing billions in reusable rockets, SpaceX aims to slash space travel costs and develop life-sustaining technologies for the Red Planet. Musk sees Mars as humanity's insurance policy against existential threats like climate change, nuclear war, or asteroid strikes. If we stay on Earth, it's only a matter of time before something catastrophic happens, Musk warns. But his ambitions go beyond landing humans on Mars. He envisions a self-sustaining colony of 1 million people by 2050. Critics call this vision far-fetched, but Musk thrives on skepticism. As he cheekily puts it, "I might die on Mars, just not on impact." SpaceX's crowning jewel, the Starship, promises to carry humans and cargo to Mars, while also revolutionizing Earthbound travel, making intercontinental journeys possible in under an hour. Tesla, saving Earth while driving profits. Musk's focus isn't just on the stars, he's equally invested in saving Earth through Tesla, the trailblazer of sustainable energy. Far from being just a car company, Tesla has grown into a cultural phenomenon, with a market cap surpassing $1 trillion. Musk's electric vehicles, like the Model S and Cybertruck, have reshaped the global auto industry, even dominating competitive markets like China. Tesla's innovations extend beyond cars. Under Musk's leadership, the company has developed solar energy solutions, home battery systems, and full self-driving FSD technology with over 2 million active users. His vision? To eliminate fossil fuels and transition humanity to renewable energy. If we don't solve climate change, there won't be much of a future to look forward to, Musk cautions. X, reinventing social media. When Musk bought Twitter for $44 billion, critics called it reckless. But Musk had a bigger plan: to reimagine the platform as X, an everything app inspired by China's WeChat. By integrating messaging, payments, and social media, Musk aims to transform X into a digital powerhouse. With over 300 million active users and growing business interest, his vision for X might just reshape how we interact online. Neural Inc., bridging humans and AI. For Musk, humanity's future also hinges on our relationship with artificial intelligence. Neural Inc., his neurotechnology company, is developing brain-computer interfaces to enhance human capabilities and ensure AI works with humanity, not against it. Neural Inc.'s groundbreaking trials have already shown promise. This year, a paralyzed man regained partial control of a robotic arm through technology. While its initial focus is medical, Musk envisions Neural Inc. enabling humans to merge with AI, creating a future where we can upload thoughts or control devices with our minds. It's about enhancing the human experience, not replacing it, Musk explains. XAI, decoding the universe. In 2023, Musk launched XAI, to answer one of humanity's biggest questions: what is the nature of the universe? Combining advanced AI with philosophical inquiry, XAI seeks to decode reality in ways humans can't. Already, XAI has made breakthroughs in protein structure analysis, potentially revolutionizing drug discovery. Musk also plans to integrate XAI's algorithms into SpaceX navigation systems, paving the way for AI-driven interstellar travel. Criticism and skepticism. Despite his groundbreaking achievements, Musk is no stranger to controversy. Critics argue that colonizing Mars distracts from urgent problems on Earth, while Neuralink's brain-computer interfaces raise ethical concerns. Musk, however, remains undeterred. If something's important enough, you should try, even if the odds are against you, he says. The rich and glamorous ex-wives of Elon Musk, a billionaire. Love story behind the genius is a fascinating love life filled with powerful women. His ex-wives, who have not only walked away from him with millions, but turned that into their own empires. Justine Musk, the Canadian author who was the first woman to marry Elon. They shared a life full of luxury, including a sprawling mansion in Los Angeles, private jets, and exclusive parties. Together, they had 5 children, including twins and triplets. But even in the lap of luxury, things didn't last. After 8 years, their marriage came to an end. Despite Elon having almost no liquid assets at the time, Justine didn't walk away empty-handed. She took home $20 million, a Tesla, $6 million in cash, and $80,000 monthly child support. Justine didn't fade into obscurity, though. She carved out a successful writing career, earning a cool $3 to $5 million from her books. She wasn't just Elon Musk's ex-wife. She became a name in her own right. Tallulah Riley, the British actress who was married to Elon twice. Their whirlwind romance didn't have a fairy tale ending, but Tallulah didn't miss a beat. When they parted ways for good in 2016, she walked away with a $16 million payout. Fast forward to 2022, and Tallulah is worth an estimated $40 million. How? From her successful acting career, book publications, and of course, social media. With over 200,000 followers on Instagram, she continues to live a life of glamour and luxury. Grimes, the Canadian singer who shares 2 kids with Elon Musk, broke up with him in 2021, but they still stay close. Despite the breakup, she's kept her pop star status alive and turned the situation into a branding win. With an estimated net worth of $4 million, she's focused on her music career and diving into the arts. Elon Musk's life? It's a whirlwind. His chaotic love life, crazy work ethic, and mind-blowing ambitions make him a figure no one can ignore. From luxury to simplicity and obsession to struggles, Musk's story is a wild mix, but it's his out-of-this-world vision for the future that keeps us hooked. What's next for him? The world's watching.